teeth and spines. What's the relationship? Well, did you brush your teeth today? Of course you did. Did you need a reminder on your phone or your watch or your computer calendar to remember to brush your teeth? Unlikely. You just do it automatically. It's an automatic part of your ritual because we were taught when we were really young that this is really important to brush your teeth every day and floss and use an electric toothbrush and so forth. Okay, so it just happens. Now, when you brushed your teeth today, did your teeth hurt? For a lot of you, not. Hopefully, most of you, they did not. So you weren't prompted by pain to brush your teeth, you see? See where I'm going with this? Now we have this amazing exercise and maintenance schedule for our teeth. You brush 3 times a day, you floss, maybe use a power toothbrush, maybe you do a mouthwash and so forth. You're doing this intensive daily exercise program with no reminders, no alerts, no nothing, and you know that this is a very important situation for your teeth. Now, most of the time when you're taking care of your teeth don't hurt. You're going to do the maintenance program anyways. And after 6 months of doing that, you go into the dentist and hygienist check your teeth, and they end up scraping them for 45 minutes, right? It's amazing what can happen with that intensive program, and they still have to clean your teeth in that way. With all of that work, you might end up unfortunately having major problems with your teeth, and maybe you lose some teeth, and the beauty of that is you can get teeth repairs and you can actually get new teeth. Now what about your spine? You only get one spine, and if this spine wears out, can you get a new one? No, that's the analogy. Let's start taking care of our spine like we do our teeth, and that's going to help a lot of us save a lot of misery and problems. Now look at your car. So you have a car and you're going for tune-ups and oil changes and rotating the tires and getting your brake checked and so forth. Oftentimes when you go for a tune-up, does your car have any pain? Oftentimes it does not. But again, we've been taught early and taught often, do the maintenance program. You're going to prevent more major catastrophes with your car, hopefully. Let's keep it tuned up and running well and at peak performance instead of waiting for a catastrophe and then getting the repair, right? Same thing with your spine. So one of the misconceptions about spinal care, nervous system care, chiropractic care is if your neck and back hurt, or if you have migraines or headaches, or if you have arm pain or carpal tunnel or sciatica or whatever it might be, then you need a chiropractor. But if you don't have spine pain, you don't need a chiropractor. That would be like saying, my teeth don't hurt, I'm not going to brush and floss my teeth today, and my teeth don't hurt, I'm going to postpone my next dental visit. I mean, that's silly. Nobody would do that. My car's running fine, I'm going to put off the oil change. My car's running fine, I'm not going to get the tune-up. You wouldn't do that. So my proposal for you today, and the health tip that I want to give you is take really good care of your spine. You only get one of them. Your teeth maintenance care is important, but treat your spine like that. Your car maintenance care is important, but your spine is so much more important. Your entire nervous system comes from your spine. That then goes to all of the tissues and organs and controls your glands and joints and heart and blood vessels and everything else. The better you take care of your spine, the more you prevent things down the road. So consider not just a chiropractic evaluation, but chiropractic wellness care. We as chiropractors make much less money doing oil changes on cars, and we make more money doing engine rebuilds, if you will. A mechanic makes less money on an oil change, but promotes them and makes more money on an engine rebuild, and they hope not to have to do those. Well, on the chiropractic standpoint, again, we make less money on maintenance and wellness care, and more when somebody has to be coming in 3 days a week for weeks and months on end, depending on the condition and so forth. It's just so much better to do wellness, maintenance, prevention care, and peak performance, just like all the athletes do that are under chiropractic care. I'm Dr. Scott Fuller.